How to connect Netgear Wi-Fi extender to Verizon router. First, plug in the extender near your Verizon router and turn it on. Wait until the power LED turns solid green. Once done, on your phone or laptop, connect to the extender's Wi-Fi. Name something like Netgear extension or maybe something else. Now open a browser and go to mywifiextension.net or 192.168.1.250. Then click New Extender Setup, agree to the terms and create a login password. The extender will scan for network. Here select your Verizon Wi-Fi name and enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, it will create an extended network. If available, enable one Wi-Fi name for a seamless mesh connection. Finally, move the extended halfway between the router and your weak signal area. Check that the LED shows a strong connection.